Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the Drop RDA by Digiflavor. The Digiflavor Drop RDA comes in a sturdy cardboard box. The kit contents include a user manual, a 3-way screwdriver tool, a 510 drip tip adapter, spare parts with a BF Squonk 510 pin, a thin frosted 810 drip tip, and the Drop RDA. The Drop RDA features a gold-plated 510 connection pin. It is 24mm in diameter, and it has 4 large post holes allowing for easy coil replacement. It has a step airflow design to fully customize your airflow settings. To get started, loosen your post screws. Add your coils and tighten the post screws. They are a little easier to snip if you bend out the ends a little bit. Test fire the coils a few times to make sure they are heating up properly. Add your wick. Tuck the ends of the cotton down into the juice wells. Prime your coils and wet the wick with your favorite e-liquid. The Drop RDA features a notch at the bottom to help with alignment. Slide the top cap down onto the base. Attach to your favorite device and you're ready to vape. I really like the durable quality of the Drop RDA. The shiny gold color is a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but it comes in 6 colors including matte black. I'm more of an RTA guy, but I was impressed with the longevity of the deep juice well. The flavor was excellent, with great vapor production. The step airflow design is great for providing a wide range of options. The alignment notch is also a really nice feature. Besides not using RDAs much, I really can't find any cons with this RDA. It's well built and it works great. Maybe a pre-built coil or two would be a nice addition to kits like these. The Drop RDA currently runs in the $30 range, and if you'd like to pick one up for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.